ready to make your videos reach a wider audience by adding engaging subtitles. Let's jump straight into adding subtitles in Capcut PC. First, open Capcut and import the video you want to add subtitles to. Once your video is on the timeline, click on the text option located in the toolbar at the bottom of the screen. This will open the text panel. From the text panel, select Auto Captions. A pop-up screen will appear asking you for the source of the video and which language to generate captions in. Select your original video and the language spoken in it, then hit Generate. Capcut will then automatically transcribe the video. This may take some time, depending on the length of your video. Now, take a look at the subtitles displayed on the timeline. Capcut does a pretty good job, but you'll likely need to make a few edits. Click on each subtitle box to review its accuracy. In the text panel on the right, you can correct any misheard words or adjust the timing of each subtitle. Simply click inside the text box and start typing. To customize the look of your subtitles, head over to the Style section here. You can change the font, color, size, background, and even add a shadow to make them more readable. Experiment with different styles until you find something that complements your video and ensures the subtitles are easily visible against the background. Once you're happy with your subtitles, click the Export button in the top right corner to save your video. Choose your desired resolution, frame rate, and file name, then click Export to finalize your video with subtitles. That's it, you've successfully added subtitles to your video in Capcut, making it accessible and engaging for a wider audience. Now, share your awesome content with the world. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Capcut tutorials.